Updating your personal information with Regions Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once loaded in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Profile Settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Account Information. Click on this option to access your current details. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields that need updating, such as your address, phone number, or email address. Make sure to enter the new information accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, look for a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click this to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from Regions Bank regarding the updates. Keeping your personal information current is essential for maintaining account security and receiving important communications.